Ooh, shake that ash.
Today we're going to do a real quick cook because it's 500 and climbing on a big green egg. I got 2 small ribeyes that I'm going to do very hot and very fast. Let's get them on. This hot, you better burp that egg. Lift it up, let in some oxygen. Oh, baby, she's hot. Two minutes, be right back. We prep these steaks for about an hour out of the refrigerator. Make sure they got room temperature. We put a little bit of salt and pepper, a little bit of Montreal steak seasoning on there, and 2 minutes at 600 degrees. It's been 2 minutes on the other side, and we're gonna burp this egg one more time. Nice and slow. And I'm gonna take these off. That means they have cooked 2 minutes on each side. What do they look like? Nice. Now, I've cooked them 4 minutes. I'm gonna let them rest another 4 minutes, and then we're gonna give them a nice cut in half to see what happens. They're gonna keep cooking. Look at that. Huh? Cook's bite right there, baby. Ooh, that one's for me. Don't tell anybody about that one. Nice char. If that's too much char for you, then how about that side? We'll see what happens in 4 minutes. Well, the cook bite is still in my mouth, and it is phenomenal. We're cooking 2 minutes each side, 4 minutes total. And we let it rest about 4 minutes. Look at that. 4 minute ribeye. That's what 600 degrees will do to a ribeye in 4 minutes.